From the very beginning, we were bred and raised in the cold. It was always there, surrounding us. It shaped and formed who we were meant to become. The freezing air, the howling wind, it doesn't scare us. We thrive on it. The ice awakens us, keeps us on our toes. Sharp and relentless, we rise. Welcome to the High North.